Hey friends, welcome to the next video of Raising Your Prices Challenge. I am Elena Motonono and I help online language teachers and coaches to create sustainable and profitable businesses doing the things that they absolutely love. Today I'm here to invite you to a workshop that I am creating for you. And this workshop will be focusing on how to cut through overwhelm. The videos in this challenge are absolutely valuable. I hear your feedback and I know that they're helping you because I'm putting all the years of my coaching and self-coaching into them, and I'm sharing the bits that are so important. And yet I do understand the danger. The more you expose yourself to new materials, new ideas, the more ideas come into your mind, the more overwhelmed you get. And overwhelm, as you remember from my previous videos, overwhelm is not a place you want to be if you want to create change in your business or make an impact. So that is why I'm creating a workshop where I'm not going to add to the noise, but we will doodle together and work on the emotional intelligence and understanding how our thoughts create overwhelm and what to do about them, how to cut through that overwhelm and doubt and confusion and a lot of other emotions, anxiety, and actually get things done. Get things done consistently with a feeling of empowerment, courage, curiosity, willingness, and determination. Those are the emotions that you need to create change, to sustain change, to make an impact, and to connect with your audience. So I'm going to walk you through the little presentation that I prepared for you that I'm going to use just a tiny bit of it in my workshop. And I will share with you how you can join me in this workshop in just a few weeks. So let's look at this. Yeah, there you go. Overwhelm in your business starts with thoughts. Everything starts with thoughts. We think that it's the course's fault, overwhelm, which before you're overwhelmed, you actually look pretty good. But then you start having thoughts. Ooh, I will never get it done. I'm overwhelmed. That thought creates lots of overwhelm. This is so hard. And of course, the thoughts then create emotions. That's when you become overwhelmed. And to help yourself out of this overwhelm, you do different things. You distract yourself. You compare and beat yourself up. Oh, this person is doing so well. What's wrong with me? Justify why you can't get things done. You look and say, well, it's the weather, or it's the way I was feeling, or it's the students that I don't have. And then you procrastinate. You also perfect. Sometimes you numb yourself with this lovely tool. Sometimes you buy self-help books or online courses, which you may or may not complete, but very rarely will you implement what you're learning. And then this, of course, doesn't help you solve the problem, but creates more overwhelm. So what happens next? Say a potential client comes to you and asks about your services. You are actually pretty overwhelmed. And so you don't have the confidence that you need to sell. And who wants to buy overwhelm, right? You might say, take your time. Maybe come back next month. Then you wonder, am I a good teacher? what is it that I wanted to offer you? Is it too expensive? Maybe. So the person, of course, feels that. And their sales pitch does not really inspire them. So they say, bye, leave. Well, and that's when you feel like a big fat failure. Big failure. And you experience more emotions, doubt. Maybe I shouldn't be doing this. Maybe I'm not cut out for this. You worry. What am I going to do? How am I going to pay my bills? Confused. Maybe this is not my client, or maybe it's my client. What should I have done? All these emotions fester in your body, and all they're doing is keeping you stuck. Now, you may go to a webinar and they will give you a list, to-do list. But remember, just like here, you will get that to-do list and you will never get stuff done. And then you will try to kind of calm yourself down through Netflix. So I want to invite you to come to my workshop where we will explore the emotions that hold you back. We'll doodle, get practical, and make a plan about what to do next. And you will do it yourself. I am not going to do it for you. I am not going to be the guru. I will guide you through the process and show to you how I use the process myself to get myself unstuck, and how I use it with my clients, and how I use it in my community, Smart Teachers Library. And the goal of this workshop is, after you're done, you feel like you're enough right now. And when you're enough, you're brave and courageous to go and try out new things. And you're not attached to the results. And that will make you feel even braver. And that will allow you to create incredible results for yourself. If you're interested in this workshop, the link will be in the description. I hope that you join me and other online language teachers, coaches, people that are overwhelmed, people that are in self-doubt, and they realize that they can't move forward without getting out of these emotions. And I'm going to walk you through the process the way I do it. This is the way that allowed me to produce content and not be afraid. It allowed me to produce content on several platforms and not feel burnt out. It allowed me to produce content that connects and that brings me clients. It's an incredible, freeing, liberating experience. And the cool part about it, you can do it yourself. And one more thing. When you join me for the workshop, I will also do this beautiful, beautiful thing where I will draw a courage card for you. For people that want a courage card, I will draw one. And actually right now, I'm going to do just that before the end of this video. I'm going to pull just one card for you. And I hope that it's going to encourage you to join me if you haven't yet. Oh, what a beautiful, beautiful message. Protect your peace. When you're overwhelmed, you lose your peace. But you need peace and calm and confidence to generate the strength and to generate the positive feelings that your clients need to see in you to be inspired and buy from you. And after they buy from you, they want to work with you and they trust you that you will help them, which you will help them achieve their goals. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope to see you in the workshop.